Hello everyone, this is Utkarsh Gupta and I'm here to present you my application for Xmeme. So as you can see, this is my front-end application. I've made the Xmeme by using MERN stack, MongoDB Express, React and Node.js, and I've used Flexbox to display the image cards as you can see. So this is the footer and like this is the header. Uh, so yeah, these are the images and this is the username and this is the content and this is the image. So like we can uh, see, like we can add any meme. So let's say I am taking a meme test test video by Utkarsh. You have to you have to write your username here and test meme, right? And I've put in some meme URL. Okay, so after clicking this add button, the meme will be added here. Okay, so as you can see by the React application, the meme is added here. Okay, so I I want you to check the network tab, and you as you can see that it is requesting the backend which is present which is deployed on the Heroku app. So this is the backend URL. Uh, as you can see that there is no meme named as a test meme, but after I will refresh it, the meme will be present here. So yeah, test meme. So this meme has been added here by the post request, and this was the get request. Now we can also do get request by ID on the backend. So by doing this, and like you can see that we are getting a single JSON. So and coming to the code part, now you have seen the implementation. Now coming to the code part, uh, I've made the backend on Node.js and I've made the database on MongoDB. So this is the controls on the routes of the backend. This is the get one, and this only sends up to 100 memes. This is the post one, and this is get meme by ID. Okay, so I'm exporting this, and coming to the model part. So the meme model, and this is the schema. Let me show you this. Yeah. So like this is the schema, and this is like I am making the model, and this is the response. So this is the response for post request. So in post request, we only have to send the ID. So that's why I'm only taking a single field as ID, and I'm doing the rest of the things as same. And like I'm also doing testing on the backend. So as you can see, I've used just npm package for the testing, super test and just npm package. So these are all the functions of jest, expect and to have length, all these things. So by this I'm testing get request and post request and all of the and, and all of the error cases. Okay, so this should return 404 error and 400 error like this. So I'm doing that also. uh, like like all the middlewares like request logger and error handlers. So all the error handlers will come to this module, and like the appropriate message will be returned as the response. Okay, so coming to this, and this is a very important file, and as you can see, I'm importing all of the files here, and I'm connecting to the database and on these things. Like that is pretty simple, and this also. So yeah, that was the backend, and like for front end, uh, I'm using use state and use effect hooks of React application, and I'm using meme service which will call the API. So I should show you this. Yeah. Okay. So this is base URL, and like this will be done when it will be locally hosted. Like the backend will be locally hosted. So this is for that. And get meme and get on. So like this is done by Axios. I'm calling the API by Axios and package, and these are all the components. So like the header component, uh, and I've done separate styling by using class name, and all the styling is in this app.css. So every styling form, add meme button, like all of this, and this is for separate individual meme card. So I've used a React Bootstrap, some of React Bootstrap to make the image card, but the box shadow part, like on this shadow, you can see this is done by me, like using CSS, and this is the form, like all of the styling is done by me. So like and I've taken three states here. So for every field of the form. So all these states are there or two. Yeah, and this is it, I guess. Thank you, everyone.